what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the 17th video in this series Mad About Python, and in this video we'll be seeing how to resize your entry boxes. As you can see in the third or fourth video, I have explained how you can work with entry boxes. These are nothing but your input fields in Tkinter, where you give some values or your user gives some value in the box, and that value gets stored in the program, and then later you can display using the label. Now the problem with this program was, if I run this and show you again, as you can see, the problem was you can give the width here. As you can see, I have given my width as 50 right here, so the width of the box is 50, and you can type anything here like that, and when you press it, and it gives you the label as you have given. Enter your name. Problem with this was you can choose the width, but what if I give the height in case I want my box to be bigger? So when I put height here like this and give some value, this will not work because the entry box doesn't take this parameter. I can show you if I run this, and this will throw an error. You can see here invalid syntax, because the height will not be taken by this entry field. Now how do you fix this? So there's a way known as using fonts. Now in this video I'll teach you how you can use fonts in your Tkinter widget, and using that font you can also increase the height of the entry field. So in this program we will see something like this, where your entry field is of some custom width as well as some height. In the first section of this video you must have noticed the entry field was only given a parameter like width, and when I gave height as the parameter it was showing syntax error. That's exactly the problem we are going to solve in this program. And if you notice, the background of this is gray, so I'll also teach you how to configure the background for this widget. Okay, so we'll just rename this widget as resize entry, and again the first 6 lines are the same basically. And then for that gray color you have seen, you can just go root.configure, and inside that you can give background as the parameter. Now this background parameter will take some color, we can give as gray, the light color, and that is it. Now your background for the widget will become gray in color. So for entry field it will remain the same. You can give entry with the capital E, entry, and you want this inside your root widget, and then you give your width. As usual, width will be 40, we'll just give 40. Now I cannot give height here, so how do I fix that height problem? I use font this time. Now in this font will take 2 parameters, and the user can give custom values. So it will take 2 parameters. First one will be the name of the font. Now you can choose any font like this. You have noticed in your MS Word, you can give the font name like Arial, Helvetica, Calligrapher, Times New Roman, etc. So I'll just stick to Arial, simple font, Arial, and then the next parameter will be, without the quotes, it will be the size. Now height also I want 40, so I'll give 40. Great. Now a simple thing, just pack this, e.pack. Let's just give some padding to make this look nice. We'll give padding 10, and pad y also 10. So you have made your widget, and we will need a submit button also. I want the program to be a hello message to the user, like when the user clicks the button it should pop up hello. So we'll just use a button again of the type button. It will be of root, and text will be click user. Oh, it should be in double quotes. Click user. You can give anything, and you need a command also because it's a button. So command will be clicked. We will define this function later. And button.pack, and again pack, let's just give some padding again. Let's give 20 this time. Pad y, let's give 20. root dot main loop to close the program. Now what we have left here is clicked as the function, so we have to define the function here. So I go def clicked, and then inside that I will put a variable which will give me the hello message. Let's just give the variable as hi user, and then you can give the word hello and just use the string concatenation, give some space, again plus, and you can get e dot get method. Simple Python, guys. Your e is the entry field, so whatever the user enters here, such as name, now that will go here using the get. So now the hi user, what it will do is it will string concatenate using the plus operator, so hello and the name using some gap here. That's it, simple. Now you want a label, so I give my label equals label. This also I want inside root, and then we'll give text here. Now usually we give text inside double quotes. Now since we have used a variable here, you can directly pass that variable here. So hi user. Very easy, guys. It's it's basically Python. Yeah. So once you have done that, how about let's use the font here also. So we'll give font here also, and we'll try some different font this time. Let me just open the cheat sheet, and let's use Arial Black. Yeah, the bold one. So Arial Black, and the font size will be 20. Yeah, let's just give this small because it's a bold font. And so you have done that, close the bracket, and you go mylabel.pack, and packing, again some padding. So pad x 10, pad y 10 as well. Okay, so I think this is done. Let's just run this program now. Go debug, run. Let's just see. This entry field is of the size 40 because we have given the font size as 40. You can see here down we have given 40 as the font size. So your entry field became bigger this time, and your font will also become big, and the font is of the type Arial. Now let's just test our functionality. I just give my name here, and when I click user, boom, you can see the Arial Black font, exactly the same here, the Arial Black right here. So this program works. Again, it is going to print the same thing. Let's try some other message. And when I click this, and it will give the same size. So that was your resizing entry boxes. You can give any size using the font parameter. Now your font will have again two parameters inside. You have your font name and your font size. So using this instead of height, you can resize your entry boxes in Tkinter. And here I have used Arial Black. You can give any other font and test that feature also. So that was all for this video, and I'll see you in the next one.